Good morning, students. In today's class, we will continue the same chapter we had yesterday. That is chapter number 11, direct and indirect objects. So I explained you direct and indirect objects as well as we have solved the exercise A and B. So today we will discuss exercise C. And before starting the class, please make me sure that am I visible and audible to everybody. Okay. Raise your hand and then make me sure. Okay. So I would request to all the students to please take out your book, page number 60, exercise C. Here we have a use to or for to change the placement of the two objects in the sentences given below. So what to do? You have to use to or for. Here in this exercise, you have to use to or for. Clear? The first sentence says, they have offered me a very high position. Okay. So here in this sentence, you're going to use to or for, that is depend on you. They have offered me a very high position. I will give you one example and then after I will ask you. So the first answer will be they have offered they have offered a very high position, a very high position to me. Okay. So they have offered a very high position to me. That will be the answer. So how many of you are doing this exercise this time in your book? Okay, don't demand for PDF. Okay, because now the PDF is not made. When I will make it, I will give. So that is why I am solving each and every exercise here in the class. Okay, so try to write on answers in your book. So that will be they have offered a very high position to me. Okay. Now, sentence number 2. Mr. Emmanuel teaches us geography. Okay, Mr. Emmanuel teaches us geography. So, what will be the answer of this question? So, answer will be Mr. Emmanuel teaches geography to us. I'm writing here. That was the one. Mr. Emmanuel teaches geography to us. Here you can see that we will not use the word for. So what we are going to use here too? Mr. Emmanuel teaches geography to us. Okay. Now third. Are you writing this? Please note it down in your book. Okay. Completed? No. Okay. So now third question. His father bought him a bicycle on his birthday. Question says his father bought him bicycle on his birthday. Let me erase these two. Question says his father bought his father bought him a bicycle him a bicycle, BICY, just wait, a bicycle on his birthday? Okay, so this is the question. What will be the answer now? So his father bought him a bicycle. His father bought, see, this is the question. His father bought him a bicycle on his birthday. So answer will be, first of all, his father bought. Now this portion you will write a bicycle for him on his birthday. Clear? His father bought a bicycle for him on his birthday. One more sentence can be like that. His father bought a bicycle on his birthday for him. So both the answers are correct. See that his father bought a bicycle. Then this can be added here. On his birthday for him. Okay, so both answers can be considered. Both are correct. You can write anyone. Just note it down first. His father bought a bicycle for him on his birthday. Is correct also. And his father bought a bicycle on his birthday for him. Okay. Now this question number 3 has been completed. Raise your hand and then tell me. Okay. Now 4. She has sent her uncle a telegram. So third is what? Question third says she has she has sent she has sent her uncle a telegram. She has sent her uncle a telegram. See what would be the answer. So first of all, you will write she has sent. This will be first portion. Then a telegram will be the second one. Okay, first one, second one. After this, you will write to her uncle. So she has sent a telegram to her uncle. This is the answer. Lower your hands first. Every time you are just raising your hand, teacher is being confused. Why unnecessary lower raising your hand, everybody? Just lower it first, everybody. Abhinav, Umang, Jyoti. Umang, Riddhima, Anmol, Kanak. Lower your hand first. Riddhima, Vibhav, and Umang. Abhinav Kumar. Everybody lower your hand so that we can start. If I will ask the question, then only you have to raise your hand. Just after this, you have to lower your hand. Umang Jaiswal. Umang, just unmute yourself first. Kanak, what happened? What did you do?
Ma'am, yesterday you
Yeah.
exercise if exercise if ma'am 11 ma'am
Okay,
11
for
chapter exercise if
okay, okay.
ma'am
Then
ma'am 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 मैं लिख ही नहीं पाया था.
okay, the video will be sent, and then after you see you see the video and just maintain your book or notebook. Okay.
ठीक है मैम.
All right.
Okay, ma'am.
I will give the link. Vaibhav, yeah, Umang Jaiswal. Umang, if you want to say, then say please. Okay, what happened? Lower your hand then. Riddhima Singh. Aastha Kushwaha.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is little
My
much not clear.
no, here is your voice is coming clear. Okay, let me check. Things are okay, but here. That only problem you raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now lower it. Just lower it. Question number 3 we have completed here, that she has sent a telegram to her uncle. Now the fourth one. That is fourth. No? Now the fifth one. I have brought her very good news. Okay. I have see that 5 says I have brought her a very good news. I have brought her a very good news. So in this sentence you have to use to or for. So answer will be I have brought a very good news. Okay, what is that? I have brought a very good news. Then after to, so here you will use to. Answer will be I have brought a very good news to her. Clear? We'll use to for use. Now 6. She made her little sister a pizza. She made her little sister a pizza. So in this sentence you have to use to or for. See, she made her little sister. Question says she made her little sister a pizza. Okay. So what will be the answer? First of all, you will write she made a pizza for her little sister. Okay, so first of all, you will write she made this one number one. Little pizza is 2, and then here you will write 4. So like that you will write answer. Third, she made a pizza for her little sister will be the answer. Just note it down. Now next question. Question number 8. They have refused to lend me the book. That is it. They have refused me to lend. They have refused me to lend. They have refused to lend me. That's it. Refused. They have refused to lend me the book. Okay. So here the answer will be they have refused. This side they have refused. That will be first. Then to here will be second. They have refused to lend. Then this will be third. They have refused to lend the book. Then here you will add to me. This will be fourth. Your answer. They have refused to lend the book to me. So this me will come here. Note it down, students. Okay, so how many of you have completed this? Raise your hand and then make me show. Okay, all right, very good. Now we have the next sentence, sentence number 9. That is, every night the mother would tell the children a new story. Every night the mother would tell the children a new story. Every night the mother would tell the students a new new story. Okay, so every night the mother would tell a new story to her children. That is children, not students. Okay. So first of all, every night the mother would tell. This is the first part. Would tell a new story. Okay. Then the third will be to her children. This portion will be third. Now your answer is completed. Just note it down. Do it fast. Okay, so have you completed this? Okay. Now the next one. The magician handed the king a golden lamp. Okay. The magician handed the king a golden lamp. So I'm going to erase this. What is the next sentence? What about the magician? The magician handed the king here we are discussing exercise C. Okay, the magician handed the king a golden lamp. Okay, so here in the sentences, or in the sentence, your answer will be first of all, the magician handed. That will be first. The magician handed what he handed. So second will be a golden lamp. Okay. So the magician handed a golden lamp. Now to whom he is going to hand it? So that will be here. This way. Yeah. Question number 10. This is 10. The magician handed a golden lamp to whom? So answer will be, third will be to the, is that board is visible? Third will be to the king. This will be third part. Clear? The magician handed a golden lamp to the king. Clear? Now full stop. Just note it down. Now the next one, 11. We bought Ratna a new dress for the school event. So we bought a new dress for Ratna for the school event. Just write. I will erase this. That will be 11. We brought that is bought, not brought. B-O-U-G-H. Okay, we bought Ratna a new dress. We bought Ratna a new dress for the school event. For the school event. Okay. So, what is the question of this sentence? What is the answer of this sentence? See, first of all, you will write we bought is the first. Okay. What we bought? A new dress. Okay. A new dress for. Till for you add. We bought a new dress for. Clear? Then this. Ratna is 3. We bought a new dress for Ratna. Then after you will write here for the school event. Okay, so from this to this, that will be fourth part. Clear, students? Here in the sentence is the last sentence. So here we bought a new dress for Ratna for the school event. Okay. Now just note it down. Okay, after that, the next question. Our partner will supply us all the raw materials. Okay, so I'm going to erase this board now. That is the 12 part. Our business partner will supply us all the raw materials. Okay, so question is, our business partners will supply us all the raw materials. So write your answer. A business partner from year to year one. A business partner from here now will supply. Okay, second. Our business partner will supply. Then third, all the raw materials. Okay. Now the first, second, and the third. You will not going to write us in between. So our business partner will supply all the raw materials. Then to us will be four. Here. Now, question number 13 says, Sarita begged her little brother his favorite cake. Sarita begged her little brother his favorite cake. Sarita begged her little brother Sarita begged her little brother his favorite cake. Favorite cake. Okay. So now what is the answer? Sarita begged her little brother. One. Actually, here should be apostrophe, but in question there is not apostrophe. You write in answer apostrophe. Sarita begged her little brother's favorite cake. Okay. Her little brother's favorite cake. Here will be apostrophe in question, but it is not given. So Sarita begged her little brother's favorite cake will be the second part. Okay. Then, okay, that is 13. Third will be for him. Sarita baked her little brother's favorite cake for him. Note it down first. Okay, number 14. Would you please pass me the salt? Would you please pass me the SALT salt? Would you please pass me the salt? So right answer. First of all, would you please pass? Would you please pass? The first will be, the salt will be second, and third will be two. That will be third. Would you please pass the salt to me? Okay. Now the last question is, the mailman brought me two parcels. The last question, question number 15. The mailman brought me two parcels. PARCEL. Two parcels. Okay. So the mailman brought me two parcels. Answer will be, first of all, you will write the mailman brought will be the first part. The mailman brought. Second will be two parcels. And third will be for me. That will be third. Here, the mailman brought two parcels for me. So here in this way, we have completed all 15 questions of exercise C. So how many of you have completed this exercise in your book? Okay, very good. Now chapter 11 is completely finished. Yesterday we have done A and B, and today C. I will send you the video link of yesterday's class, so that those who have not completed exercise A and B, they can do. Okay. Note it down, please. As we have 5 minutes, I will ask some doubts to the students. Ritvik Pandey. Okay, he has lower his hand. Now, Jyoti Mishra.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Morning. What happened?
Ma'am, in exercise C, you have not tested
What?
book stories.
What?
Hello,
Jyoti, what are you saying, beta?
ma'am. In exercise C, sixth one, you have not tell. My grandfather.
Okay, that is this.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Now I'm saying my grandfather gave me a book of stories. So it's very simple. See, 6 is maybe that is this. My grandfather. 6 is my sorry, that is mother. My grandmother gave me a book of stories. So say here is very simple to go to frame. First of all, you will write answer. My grandmother gave. Okay, a story, a book of stories. Second, the third will be to. Now answer is over. Okay, my grandmother gave a book of stories to me. Note it down. The sixth one. Okay, now Garima.
Ma'am, can you please tell me once more the answer of 14th number?
Hmm?
Ma'am, can you please tell me once more the answer of 14th number of exercise
Answer of which number?
14th number?
14.
Yes, ma'am.
1 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just write. Would you please pass? Would you please pass
Yes, ma'am.
the salt
Yes, ma'am.
to me?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ashi
Thank you, ma'am.
Dalmia. Okay. Ashi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ashi, speak louder.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I have not do exercise B.
That is make sentence. You have to frame sentence in your own words. So try to do it by your own. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have not do ma'am 15 one.
15.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
The mailman brought.
Yes, ma'am.
The mailman brought
Yes, ma'am.
2 parcels
Yes, ma'am.
for me.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ananya Kumari. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Ananya. Tell first.
Ma'am, I don't understand
Yeah.
direct object. I don't
Direct.
understand direct object.
Direct objects are nothing. See, the transitive verbs always need an object to complete its sentence. So direct objects that always answer the question what. Okay, and it's always directly related to the action of the verb. Suppose
Okay,
Amit,
ma'am.
okay, Amit caught the baseball. So Amit caught what? Answer is baseball. So baseball is your direct verb. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So as time is finished now, we are going to finish here. In the next class. We will start new chapter number 12. So before this, I would request to all the students to please complete your exercises in book of chapter number 11. So thank you, students.